Introduction to Doubleview Gold Corp. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a hidden gem in the junior mining world, Doubleview Gold Corp, ticker DBG on the TSX Venture Exchange. As of March 25, 2025, it's trading at just 81 cents Canadian, a price that could be a steal for what this company's sitting on. We're talking copper, gold, a rare metal called scandium, and even a connection to Qatar's royal family. Could this be a 5x or even 25x opportunity? Stick around for the next 10 minutes to find out why Doubleview might be the breakout stock of the year. What is Doubleview Gold? Alright, so what is Doubleview Gold? It's a Vancouver-based exploration company with its eyes on one major prize, the Hat property in northwestern British Columbia, Canada. This 5,200-hectare site is about 50 kilometers from Telegraph Creek, and it's loaded with potential. They've also got a secondary project, Red Spring, but Hat's the real star here. Now, this isn't a producing mine yet. It's in the exploration stage, which means they're drilling, testing, and figuring out just how big this thing could get. And the early signs? Pretty exciting. Think copper, gold, and something called scandium, a rare earth element that's got tech companies drooling. The metals, copper, gold, and scandium. Let's break down what Doubleview's chasing. First up, copper, vital for electric vehicles and renewables, sitting at $4.50 US a pound. Gold. It's hitting record highs above $3,000 US an ounce. Together, their latest resource estimate from September 2024 shows 150 million tons indicated and 477 million tons inferred at 0.2% copper equivalent. That's billions of pounds of copper and millions of ounces of gold in the ground. But here's the kicker, scandium. This rare metal, priced at $2,000 US per kilogram, is used in aerospace alloys and fuel cells. Doubleview's hinting at grades up to 100 parts per million with a crazy 90% recovery rate. If they pull that off, it could add billions to their value. Though some skeptics say the market's too small to matter. We'll get to that in a sec. The Qatar connection. Now here's where it gets wild. On March 5, 2025, Doubleview signed a deal with Her Excellency Sheikha Sarah Nasser Al Thani from Qatar. She's the CEO of Commission and she's working to bring in big money, like from the Qatar Investment Authority, a $475 billion sovereign wealth fund. Why's Qatar interested? They're betting on critical minerals for a sustainable future, and Doubleview's Hat property fits the bill perfectly. This isn't just pocket change, we're talking hundreds of millions, maybe $1 billion to fast-track this project. Imagine a Middle Eastern powerhouse backing a tiny Canadian miner. That's a total game-changer. Valuation and buyout potential. So, what's Doubleview worth? At 81 cents a share with about 200 million shares out, its market cap's around $162 million Canadian. But let's do the math. Copper and gold alone could be worth $17 billion US in the ground. Add scandium, say $1 to $2 billion US after costs, and the project's net present value might hit $3 to $6 billion US. Junior miners often get bought out at 20 to 50% of that, so we're looking at $810 million to $4 billion Canadian. Per share? That's $4.05 to $20.25 Canadian, 5x to 25x today's price. Analysts like Fundamental Research Corp peg it at $1.39 without scandium, so this could be seriously undervalued right now. Timeline and what's next? Okay, timeline check. Doubleview's still early stage, no revenue yet, just exploration. They're wrapping up a big 2024 drill program, over 10,000 meters, and planning an updated resource estimate and a preliminary economic assessment by mid-2025. That'll tell us more about scandium's role. If all goes well, feasibility studies and permitting could wrap by 2030, with production maybe a decade out. But here's the thing, with Qatar's cash or a buyout from a big player like BHP or Rio Tinto, this could move a lot faster. It's high risk, sure, but high reward too. Why it matters? Why should you care about this? Copper and scandium are critical for the green revolution. Think EVs, wind turbines, lightweight planes. Gold's a safe haven as the world gets shaky. Doubleview's trading at a discount, $20 per ounce of gold versus $46 for peers, $0.035 per pound of copper versus $0.046. Plus, that Qatar deal signals some serious upside. This isn't just a mining story, it's a global supply chain play that could pay off big. Closing call to action. So, there you have it, Doubleview Gold, a junior miner with big dreams and even bigger potential. At 81 cents Canadian, it's a speculative bet, but if they prove out scandium and land that Qatar funding, we could be talking a multi-bagger. What do you think? Too risky or the next big thing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button and subscribe for more stock deep dives. Let's keep an eye on DBG. This could be one to watch in 2025. See you next time.